How to save jobs on Indeed for later. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open any of your preferred web application, or you can also use your Indeed app. At the top search bar, type in indeed.com and get logged into your Indeed account. Also be noted the process for saving a job is same in your mobile device as well as your PC and app and this web browser. Now let's go ahead and search for the job that you would like to apply for or save later. Once done, also make sure to select the location and you will see all the job listed below. In order to save this specific job, tap on the save icon, and once it's completely blue, it means that this job has been saved. Now you can do the same for others as well. In order to view your saved jobs, tap on to My Jobs, and here you will see all the jobs that you have saved. If you would like to apply now, tap on Apply Now and follow the on-screen prompt to get started. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.